folks, I want to talk to you about a unique gift giving idea for the children or grandchildren in your life. Now, when my son Gabriel was little, he loved to be at my side, cooking and baking with me. Whatever I was making, he wanted to make it too. And there was nothing more important for us as children is to learn those basic life skills that we can take with us throughout our life. And so many memories have been created for Gabriel and I because we had those early days in the kitchen together. So here, think about this. There are so many different children's books about food and about cooking. There's a whole series called If You Give a Certain Animal a Certain Type of Food. So if you give a cat a cupcake, or if you give a pig a pancake, or if you give a mouse a cookie. It's a wonderful series of books that you could just take that book and then find the appropriate pan. For instance, if you give a dog a donut, that pairs perfectly with our donut pan. And I know if when I was young and I was just learning to bake, if I was given my very own pan that was like my pan, I would have felt so grown up and special. So I think the children in your life will really love this. The donut pan is a really awesome way of making a special treat like a donut and baking it in the oven so you get a healthy version rather than that deep fried donut. So it has changed, my donut craving into a healthy snack idea for myself. Another idea is to give the cookie sheet. Our cookie sheets do an amazing job of evenly cooking and not burning our cookies, and this would be the perfect one for if you give a mouse a cookie, and the baking sheet, and maybe you would give one of those nylon little spatulas to complete the gift idea for your loved one. And I think there's so many different pans that we have that you can find that perfect one to match with your book and give us very special gift.